Hello and welcome to the next module where we're going to discuss about using the import option of WordPress. So import option is typically useful whenever you want to migrate your content from your old website to your new website. Say you have probably changed your hosting provider, or you have changed your URL or something. So then what you can do is rather than having to create all the pages again, you can take an export, which we'll be dealing in the next course. And once you export the WordPress database, you get an XML file, and that XML file, if you import into the new installation, you'll get all your pages and posts back. So one more thing where the import option is useful is most of the themes, they provide their sample content in an XML file, which you can then import using this import setting. So the import setting can be found under tools. So in tools you can see import and export. So we'll just see import now. Once you click on import, you can see several other service providers who also provide import options. For example, you can import your site from Blogger or Blogroll, or you can import from LiveJournal, MovablePad, TypePad, RSS, Tumblr, WooCommerce, tax rates you can import, and also WordPress. So now we're going to demo the WordPress import. So once you click on import, you need to install a plugin which is again provided by WordPress itself. You just install this plugin. It's called WordPress Importer. So once it's installed, it automatically redirect to this page where you want to activate it, activate plugin and run importer. Just click on it, and this will take you to the page where it will ask you to choose the XML file. So this particular theme, whatever I've used for the demo, so it came with an XML file for import. So I'll just click on choose file, and then so usually they have a separate folder which is called import XML or demo data or sample data. So instead that you can find this XML document. Just click on it and click on open, upload file and import. So this uploads the file to the installation. So now after the file is imported, so you'll get this particular page where you have to choose two things. One is the earlier site, whatever you imported now, that would have had a different set of authors. For example, a blog post would have been written in this case by an author John. What you can do is you can either import the author itself, or you can actually create a new user, say test user, and add all the content to him. So test user 1, test user we already have on the site. Or the third thing you can do is you can assign all these posts to an existing user, which is test user. For now we'll just choose to import this author itself, John. And the second thing here is whether or not you want to download and import file attachments. So here what happens is most of the pages and posts, they are associated with media extension, media files like pictures or probably in some cases videos. So you can choose here whether or not to import those demo files as well. For now what we'll do is we'll download and import the file attachments also. And once you're done choosing those two things, just click on submit. And now what happened is all the content will be imported from the XML whatever provided, and XML will have some external links where to download all these attachments. So this might probably even point to the themes demo URL, and then it will download all the pictures from there and then attach it to the new website. So usually it takes some time. Say if the media extensions are like more, then probably it takes even as long as 5 to 10 minutes. If the media attachments are less, it takes a considerable less time. So now this is the message you usually should get if the import is successful. In some cases, when the import is not successful, you get a 500 error, which means like the server timed out. Then probably what you need to do is you need to just probably skip this download file attachments, or you try to increase your server timeout from your hosting provider, or you can even break this XML into multiple portions and then try importing separately. So once this is done, what you can visually make out is once you go back to the pages, Previously we had only 2 pages here. So now you can see all the demo pages are now imported. So checkout, my home page, shop, all this which we didn't have previously. And then what I'll just try to do is I'll just try to set this newly imported page as my front page. And if you see also some the new menu also would have been imported. So there is a main menu and there is a footer menu which was imported. So I'll just save and publish. So now what you can see here is that the almost the demo website in entirety has been imported to our installation here. So you see a nice home of our blog, shop, pages, and contact. So now the demo content, like whatever sliders and whatever portfolio and everything, whatever they had, it's now imported into our website. So this is one way where the import option is a very useful feature for uh, both migrating your website as well as like installing a theme and then importing the theme data. We'll cover export in the next course.